Okay, well I've moved from where we started right up to this 3000 grit, and I'm now on the detail sander. I can get a little bit more purchase with it, so we'll just have one more go. For now, that's a reasonably good finish as far as I'm concerned. I'm just going to give it a test. I've put it together without the handles just to make sure before I start painting it and really polishing it properly that it works. So now that won't have worked like that for 20 or 30 years at least. I'm pleased with that.